You can scan your documents and send them to any email address as PDF, TIFF, or JPEG images. Touch the email icon on your copier screen. The first thing you see is the option to enter an email address, and you can choose from an address book on the machine or search for one in your company's directory. The address book can contain thousands of entries, so certain contacts can be designated as favorites to simplify access to the most commonly used email addresses. If you enter the address yourself, you may also have the option to add the address to the address book on the machine. If you do not have that option, talk to your system administrator about adding it. You can add as many recipients to your email as you need. Note that you can also specify the subject line as well as the name of the scanned image that is created. In addition, you can specify whether the document will be attached to the email as a PDF, TIFF, or JPEG image. Just touch the PDF button at the lower right to change the format. If PDF is your format, you can also choose to have the Xerox OCR the document prior to sending it. This means that the recipient will be able to search for any text in the document. You can also password protect the document. If you do, the recipient will not be able to open it unless you share the password with them. The color selection and the original type make a difference in the size of the document that will be attached to the email. Color documents are larger, while black and white documents are significantly smaller. Also, the original type selection, which normally defaults to photo and text, can make a difference too. Photo and text is a medium setting that renders an acceptable quality for both pictures and text. Photo mode tends to make the attachment significantly larger, while text mode tends to make the attachment significantly smaller. Note that you can scan both sides of the document and even flip the second side if necessary. As you scroll down through the list of features, you will find more options to control the quality of the scanned image and format the email message. As with copying, the lighter darker menu only affects the black portion of the image. There are further controls for managing the color quality under Show Additional Features, which we will review in a minute. Original orientation is important for a scanned image. Portrait means that the copier will treat the short edge of the document as the top of the image. Landscape means the long edge will be positioned at the top. Touch More and you will see two other options. Upright images means that the machine will treat the edge toward the back of the machine as the top. Sideways images means the machine will treat the leading edge, that is the edge that is fed into the machine, as the top. Original size is the same as in the copy feature. The Xerox will automatically detect the size of the scanned document as long as it is a standard size. The original size menu, however, lets you specify custom sizes or even mixed sizes if you have a stack of pages of different sizes. The message option lets you enter a message to the body of the email. The build job option, as it is for copies, allows you to scan your document in multiple sections and change the settings for each section that you scan. For example, build job would enable you to combine a stack of documents fed through the feeder with individual pages scanned off the glass. If you scroll down and select Show Additional Features, you will find more options for controlling the quality of the scanned images, especially the color attributes. Note especially the option called Remove Blank Pages. This option will remove blank sides from the scanned image before sending it. Be aware that this may affect page numbering on the finished document. When you click Scan, the pages are scanned, converted to your selected format, and sent as an attachment to the email to the recipients that you have selected.